Hey, hello folks. On this video, we're going to go over the answers to the Amish Adventure workbook. Special thanks goes to Jessica, Jenna, Geneva, and Megan for actually making this novel study for you guys. Okay, chapter 1, question number 1. What name does Ian give his rat? Ian names his rat Angel. Number 2, sorry guys, just lost my page. Where does Ian's father work? He works at an oil company. 3. Who is Mrs. Coots and where does she come from? She is the housekeeper and is from Scotland. Question number 4. Who gave Ian the rat? His grade 7 science teacher, Mr. Riddle. Question number 5. What is the setting in this book? At the start, it's in Chicago. Vocabulary. Reluctantly means unwillingly. Uniform, a suit that is worn to show a person's job, and disarray, in an unorganized state. Chapter number 2. Who is Ian's friend and what does he look like? His name is Tony Tablio. He is a chubby, dark-haired boy with shiny eyes. Question number 2. On what floor is Ian's apartment? On the 17th floor. Question number 3. What is Ian's last name? His last name is McDonald. Question number 4. Who is Ian going to live with while his dad goes to the Northwest Territories? He is going to stay with his Aunt Clem. Okay, chapter number 3. What were Ian and his father going to see in the north? They were going to see the midnight sun. Question number 2. How old is Ian? He is 12. Question number 3. Why is Aunt Clem a lonely widow? Because her husband was killed during World War II. Question number 4. How does Ian feel about moving? He feels deserted, empty, upset, like reaching for a glass of water with a dreadful thirst and finding nothing inside. Question number 5. What made Aunt Clem's house feel haunted? It was all the antiques that made him feel that way. Okay, for chapter number 3, vocabulary. Deserted. It means left behind. Pacify. To make calm or quiet down. Banter. Playful teasing. Inuit. The Aboriginal people living in Canada's north. Disheveled. Rumpled. Must. Migrate, to move from one place to settle in another. Frugal, avoiding waste, saving. Obstinately, not giving in, stubborn. Outspoken, not reserved, sharing one's views. Hostile, related to an enemy, not friendly. Resented, to feel injured and angry. Chapter number 4, number 1. What sound could you hear in Mrs. Coots' room? You could hear snoring. 2. What erased the earth? The fog. 3. What tower might Ian get to see in Toronto? The CN Tower. 4. What joined countries together instead of separating them? The answer is bridges. Vocabulary. Rapt means a quick, light blow. Stray, to lose one's way. Upturned, turned upside down. Burly, big, strong, husky. Billowed, fill with air and smell outward. Chapter number 5, the riddle. I wonder if you guys got this one. I help save lives. In Canada, it's illegal not to wear me. I am long, thin, and gray, and I get to go on lots of trips. What am I? The answer is a seatbelt. Question number 1. What did Jack Turner hit? A horse and buggy. Question number 2. How fast was Jack Turner going when he hit the horse? He was going over 70 miles an hour. Question number 3. What was Jack Turner forced to do when he saw a police car behind him? He was forced to slow down. Question number 4. Why did Ian like entering Canada? Because it wasn't crowded and it had great silent spaces leading north. Chapter number 6. What was almost supernatural? The strange late afternoon sunlight. Question number 2. What always began to ache when Ian thought of his mother? The answer is a hollow space in his chest. 3. What happened to Jack Turner after he gave the policeman Aunt Clem's phone number? He fainted. Question number 4. What was the name of the man and his son who drove the horse and buggy that Jack Turner hit? The name of the man was Jonah, and his son's name was Ezra. Vocabulary for chapter 6. Ominous, threatening, unfavorable. Enameled, a glass substance melted and then cooled to make a smooth, hard surface. Quivered, shake or shiver. Insurance, money paid to a company that will give you coverage for your losses in an accident. Gruff, deep and harsh. Gingerly, with extreme caution or care.